hate that, so I'm off the Hannah. I am Don Growers. I've worked for CyRide going on 2 years, and you heard, I do have my safeguard awards, so you're in good hands tonight. Okay? I'm a student here at ISU State. Currently, and hopefully will graduate in accounting next May. Currently majoring in that. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our bus service we're going to offer to your students when they come up here next year. We have 3 types of service available. We have our fixed routes, 6 fixed routes, color-coded, and I have samples of our fall and spring map up here and schedule in case you're interested in looking at that. That's last fall's schedule. They'll be very similar to the one we will have next fall. We also have a dial ride service that we offer to the elderly and handicapped hearing aids. It allows them to get out more than they might if it's a door-to-door service, and we have buses equipped with wheelchair lifts so they're able to get out and go to the store and get out of their house. We also have a dial ride service that's funded by the GSB of Iowa State. It's a free door-to-door service offered on Friday and Saturday nights from 10:30 to 2 in the morning during the school sessions. We also have one running right now this summer. It's a arranged call ride. They need to call our office, and we arrange a call, and we come out and pick them up and take them where they need to go. That way they don't need to take their car if they're going out to a movie or something. They don't want to be worried about that. We have 3 different ways that your students can pay for their fare on the bus. They can show their fee card and pay a quarter every time they ride. There's the option of purchasing a bus pass for $40 at the beginning of the semester. That's shown with their fee card. It's an unlimited ride pass. They just need to show those 2 items to the driver every time they board the bus, and no other money needs to be exchanged. It's figured out to be about 2 rides a day for the 5-day school week, so say they ride on the evenings or on the weekends, they get their money back and more. We also have the option of a 20-book ticket. It's $5, so it's a quarter a ticket. That way they can keep their quarter for laundry. Let me check this. Okay, is that a little better? Can you hear me in the back yet? Okay? Okay, I'm getting a little feedback there. I do want to let you know that parking here for your students will be next to impossible, as they're probably freshmen. Most of them are transfer students. If they're going to be living in RCA or Mapleville Large, they'll be asked to park south of the stadium. We'll be going by there at the end of our tour. They would be asked to move their cars at 7 o'clock in the morning, Saturday mornings for game days, and to find a parking space in this area on a game day is impossible. They also aren't able to bring their cars onto campus during the main class hours. There are security gates there, letting only the faculty and delivery services onto campus. So there's not a lot of parking spaces they can get there either. So we'd like to suggest that they just ride with us for the first couple of years up here. We cover 97% of the city. We have 3 buses leaving the mall, covering all the residence hall areas. There's at least 1 bus, if not 2, that go by the residence halls of Iowa State. We're a very safe bus system. We make it a point to be on time. That's a very important thing with us. We realize, as our 75% of us are students and drivers, we realize getting to class on time is important, and being there for tests is even more important. We're very helpful. If they have a question, they're not sure where they need to go, just ask us. We'll get them the right bus, we'll get them transferred, we'll get them some help. Is there any questions I can answer for you right now about the bus service or anything? Okay, feel free to ask me afterwards. I do have order forms that you can take home and mail in for the semester pass. And I also have the samples of the fall schedule. Do you have questions?
Where do we get some ice water?
I'm sorry, this bus isn't equipped with a bar, but I'll leave the air conditioner on and we'll get to the tour ends real quick, okay? Have a good tour.